Hey guys, so on today's episode of Cooking in College, we're gonna be making breakfast. Yay! Um, this recipe is super easy. It's like for those mornings where you just you still have on your makeup from last night. You don't want to go down to the dining hall. That's way too much walking. So basically what you're gonna do is just get your half-eaten rice out of the fridge. It's just from a few days ago. It's a few days old, but it's fine, Then you're gonna take some eggs, yeah, and really just that's it. That's all you need. And I'm gonna crack the eggs into my Tupperware of rice, and then I'll get back to you guys. So I just cracked my eggs into my Tupperware. And my hands are really dirty, so we're gonna use tissues because we ran out of paper towels, Just typical college stuff. So yeah, so basically just gonna stir that up. Stir it up. So you're probably thinking to yourself, what the fuck? Nobody eats rice and just eggs. That's not a quality breakfast, but just wait. This will change your life. So you just stir it up and wait until it gets to be a nice, a nice consistency. It's the lighting in here. Yeah, I don't want to spill it, but just stir it up until it becomes a nice lighter color. You want the eggs to get a little bit fluffy. Okay, perfect. So now you need to turn on your stove. We'll just go on 10 because, we don't want to be waiting all day long for these to cook. So then what you're going to be doing is you're just going to be waiting for your pan to heat up. It's probably going to take a really long time. Yeah, then get some oil. If you don't have oil, it's fine. Maybe if you have some butter, use that. So then just pour a generous amount. Not a generous amount. Just pour whatever you feel feels right. Oh God. Okay. Stir that around. It's really fine. It's not an exact science. Then you're going to take your fun concoction you've made here and just pour it in the pan, Just pour it into a nice pancake-y shape. It's probably gonna take a really long time to cook because these stoves, they aren't the best, but they get the job done, so just wait it out. If you're really desperate, it cooks in the microwave too, so that's also a plan. Then when you're really feeling ambitious, you're just gonna flip it. Oh, the beauty. Make sure that you break up your rice fully before putting it into the thing, otherwise you'll have a chunky pancake. Nobody likes a chunky pancake. Here's an example of something you don't want to do. I did a poor job flipping this. They can't all be perfect, okay? So, we have our final platter of pancakes. And the best part is if you put enough syrup on it and close your eyes, it almost tastes like a real pancake. So, that's it for today's episode. Please like, comment, and subscribe.